In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn text into a link in Notion. Turning plain text into a clickable link makes your pages cleaner, easier to read, and far more useful for anyone navigating your notes, tasks, or documentation. The process is quick, and once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes second nature. First, open the Notion page where you want the link and select the exact text you want to turn into a link. You can click and drag across a phrase, double-click to select a single word, or triple-click to grab a full line. Think of this selected text as your anchor text, the label people will click. Keeping it short and descriptive is best. For example, project brief. Design specs, or view report, looks cleaner and is easier to understand than a long, messy URL. When your text is highlighted, a small formatting toolbar appears right above or beside your selection. Click. Add link. A tiny field opens where you can paste or type the URL you want to link to. Paste the full web address, including the beginning of the link. Notion recognizes standard formats like HTTP and HTTPS automatically. If the link is already on your clipboard, you can paste it with your normal paste shortcut, then press Enter or Return to confirm. You'll see the text change style, usually with a subtle color shift and an underline. That's your visual confirmation that the link is active and ready to use. If you prefer a faster keyboard-first approach, use the shortcut. With your text selected, press Ctrl K on a Mac, use Command K. This opens the same link field instantly, so you can paste the URL without reaching for your mouse. Press Enter to apply, and that's it. A few simple tips to keep things smooth. Make sure the URL is complete and correct before applying it. Copying directly from your browser's address bar helps avoid typos. Choose anchor text that clearly tells readers where the link goes, so they don't yet have to guess. And if you're linking to internal pages or documents, remember that visibility depends on the destination's permissions. And there you go. Select your text, click Add Link, or use Ctrl K, paste the address, and confirm. That's all it takes to turn text into a link in Notion. Once you start using this consistently, your pages will feel more polished, professional, and effortless to navigate. Thanks for watching, and try it out on your next Notion page to see the difference right away.